In this shoemaking video, I want to talk with you about this shoemaking tool, shoemaking pincers. This tool is one of the most important tools that you should have to make your shoes. Without pincers, you can't make your shoes. And in this video, I want to show you how to work with these pincers. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notified when my new video comes out. I post new videos every week, so if you will like this video, subscribe to my channel. These shoemaker pincers I recommend to use in your shoemaking work. There are other few types, and you can check what are those types in the post, and the link to this post I attached in the description, or just click the I button on the top right side of the video. So how to work with this instrument? You should grab the edge of your lining or upper with the jaw of these pincers, just like this. Grab the edge and pull it, but during pulling the edge of the lining or upper, don't use the effort because it has this hammer side. So place it on the insole and use it as a leverage to pull the edge of the upper. So I repeat it again. Grab the edge, place it on the insole, and use this side of the hammer of the pincer to pull it. Pull, fix it, and then place nail. You see it has this hammer side to attach nails during lasting. Then, if you don't have tack puller, take off nails working with the same pincers, grab again the edge of the lining, stay firm, and then place nail. Then, after you last the lining in the joints, you should work on your toe area. So what is important here is to avoid creation of folds. To avoid this creation, during lasting, during pulling the edge of the lining, you should twist it a little bit. So grab the edge where you have, let's see it here. Here we have fold, big fold. So grab the middle of this fold with these pincers, pull it and twist. You see, this is how you will eliminate creation of the folds. Now I have fold here, so to avoid creation of the folds here on the bottom edge, grab, twist, and attach the nail. And so on. Grab, twist, and attach the nail. So this is how you should work during classing with these pincers. It's very easy to work with this type of pincers because it has the hammer side to pull upper and lining and to attach nails. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when my new video will come out. Thank you and see you in the next video.